Vinny versus Sparky. This is Animal Idol. And now the winner from last week's episode with a super close call of 101 comments, Cookie! Now, I gotta tell you something. Ham and bacon are good for me. And now for this week's contestants. Our first contestant up is Vinny. He hates when people vacuum the pool. Our second contestant up is Sparky. He has a licking problem, or maybe it's just the peanut butter. Who should be this week's Animal Idol? Comment below for your vote to count. Check us out next week for the results and 2 brand new contestants.